In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Zoom link as host. First, open Zoom on your device and sign in to your account. On the home screen, you'll see options to either schedule something for later or start right away. If you're planning ahead, choose Schedule. This lets you set the date, time, and basic preferences so your participants know exactly when to join. If your meeting is happening now, choose New Meeting to launch it immediately. Either way, you'll be the host and you'll be able to share the link with your attendees. Once your meeting is scheduled or started, Zoom provides the key details you need to invite people. Look for the Join URL, which is the clickable link your participants will use to get in. You'll also see the meeting ID and the passcode. The meeting ID is a unique number assigned to your meeting, and the passcode adds a layer of security so only people with the code can enter. Many people prefer to share just the Join URL because it already includes the passcode in a secure format, making it simple for guests to click and join without extra steps. Still, it's helpful to know where the meeting ID and passcode are in case someone needs to dial in or join manually. When you're ready to share, use Zoom's built-in copy tools. If you want a complete, ready-to-send message that includes the Join URL, the meeting ID, the passcode, and any available dial-in details, click Copy Invitation. This creates a formatted invitation you can paste into an email, a message, or a calendar event. If you only need the direct link, quick and straightforward, click Copy Join Link. That copies just the URL, which is perfect for a quick chat message or when your participants already know the context of the meeting. After copying, paste the information wherever you're communicating with your attendees. Before you send it, double-check that the date and time are correct and that the passcode is included if you're sharing details separately from the link. For recurring or previously scheduled meetings, you can repeat this process whenever you need to share the same link again. That's all there is to it. Open Zoom, schedule, or start your meeting, find the Join URL along with the meeting ID and passcode, and then copy either the full invitation or the direct join link. With these simple steps, you can confidently share your Zoom meeting link as the host and get everyone connected smoothly.